Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best watering cans in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Fiskars 20 to 47,287 Easy Pour Watering Can, 2.6 gallon. The Bloom Easy Pour Watering can earn high marks for its design, ease of use, value, and durability. It's the best choice if you're looking to buy one container for most of your needs. And with its durable construction, it will last for many seasons to come. In fact, when dropped full of water from a height of 4 feet, not only did it resist cracking, but it also stayed upright. We also found it easy to use thanks to its 2 handles, including one with hinges, which made it easy to maneuver into multiple positions, reducing strain on our hands and wrists. Personally, I like watering cans with multiple handles, so I get 2 spots to hold, says master gardener, interior designer, and home improvement expert Jen Stark, founder of Happy DIY Home. And at 2.6 gallons, this watering can has a sizable capacity, allowing you to water several plants without making multiple trips to the hose or sink. Plus, the lightweight plastic won't weigh you down. Number 2. Vasma Plastic Watering Can 1 gallon Deep Gray. High-quality material. Made from high-quality plastic, carrying capacity is strong, it is super durable, wear-resistant, and can be used for a very long time. Long Spout Watering Can. Long stem spout design, the narrow spout of watering can works well in directing the water to the precise positions of your plants, like poking between foliage and sending water to root of each plant accurately. Ergonomic design. This watering is optimized for comfort due to its ergonomic handle, with balanced design for easy pouring. This watering can be used without any hassles, easy to fill water as there is no cap required. Large water storage capacity. Size 10.5 inches by 15 inches by 5.5 inches. HXLXW. Volume 1 gallon/4 liters, which can reduce the trouble of frequent irrigation and lengthen the spout to make it easier to water. Number 1. Palais Stainless Steel Water Can for Indoor Plants and Garden, copper 30 ounces. Never splits water. It helps to avoid spilling water on the leaves. It delivers the water precisely where you aim it with no spills, can reach in small places without spilling on your table. Stylish design with hand-polished steel finish. Nice brushed steel finish that blends in better than all these plastic cans. This watering can is designed brushed finish. Hand-polished stainless steel finish is built to resist daily scratches, corrosion, and tarnishing. Efficient and convenient while refilling. Semi-open top design makes it convenient to refill water, and the ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold. Long spout and lightweight helps it easy to reach under low-hanging leaves.